Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an Azure subscription, Azure AD tenant, and app registration. These give you the identity for latch codes. Once you register the app, create a client secret or upload a certificate, and record the client ID and tenant ID. Make sure to enable required API permissions for authentication. Store secrets in Key Vault for security. This first step matters because latch codes are derived from controlled app credentials, so set them up correctly to avoid later access failure. You now generate latch codes. Request an access token via client credentials flow using MSAL or similar. Once you have the token, compute a latch code by hashing a stable token fingerprint plus the current timestamp and an HMAC with your client secret. This binds the code to your identity and time window. Make sure to set a short TTL and avoid predictable inputs. Implement server-side verification that recomputes the HMAC and checks timestamp skew. This prevents replay and unauthorized. You finish by deploying the validation endpoint and integrating it into your workflow. Once done, enforce rate limits and audit logs to detect abuse. Make sure to rotate client secrets on a schedule and use Key Vault for automated rotation. If a latch code fails, first check server and client clock skew, then verify the client ID, secret, and required token scopes. If issues persist, reissue the secret and recreate the app registration. That usually resolves mismatched HMAC or token binding problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.